Forgot my mic was over there. Alright, so what you're seeing here in Build About is pretty cool terrain glitch where if you really wanted to, you could just really all you need to do is just okay, there we go. Bada boom bam pow. Okay, I forgot it doesn't hang on a second, that's a bad example. Hang on.
What? Yeah.
I swear I know how to do this, hang on. My God. Still auto-clicking, stop there, jeez. Yes, I'm using auto-clicker to think about the terrain, alright. Do that. Ta-da! You just took the wall off. And if you think this is just a visual glitch, watch this. Ta-da! It's not. So you can pretty much just take apart the entire map if you really wanted to. If you really felt like it. I think you can actually, hang on. Can you? Yeah, you can. Ow. And I'll be showing you guys how you yourselves, yes, the viewer, can do this with very little tools. And also you can just, yeah, it's a little, overpowered, as you can see. I don't like that tree. Then that tree doesn't really have any stems. You don't like this little grass area? Fine, I'll take it off. Watch this. First, we gotta get on land. Also, you need to fly. You need to fly the infinite fly thing in order to do this. All right. And boom. Whoa. Okay. So, there you go. All right. I guess I'll just reset and show you guys how you can do this. All right. So basically, you cannot do this in your plot. If you would try to do it in your plot, it will not work. So, what you want to do is just grab a seat, grab a cake, put it like that, put any block you want on top of it. I guess I'll just do wood. I was using plastic, so I guess this will show that doesn't really matter. Grab a harpoon, whichever one you want, doesn't matter. And that's it. Also have your anchor block off and stuff. Alright. You didn't see that. That never happened, alright? Look, see, it was back so fast, it was like it's never happened. Alright.
What is happening?
It's actually now take your harpoon.
We're running by 5, and
shoot your gun.
Got 2 kick on it.
Once I get a gun. And you need a gun. You can't do it without a gun. So pretty much the average player can do this. If you're like really starting out, you can't. But hey, it won't take that. Just build an AFK grinder, and trust me, you'll get it really fast. So now, here I'll show you. You can't do it with this. You can't play with this because it doesn't work. So you need this. And you need to spam. Look, if I hold it, it doesn't work. You need to spam it.
What is that about?
And that's how you guys do it. Pretty easy. Now I guess I'll just be showing it off. No one else can see the blocks gone. It's only me. There are other glitches you can do, other more complicated glitches that allows other people to see it. But we're not gonna be doing that. The heck? Oh, this is my old thing. I was like, what the heck is that? Alright, I'm gonna go to black team. Where's black team? That's black. That's fine. Okay, I guess I'll go to white team then. This might take a while. We. I think this guy might be AFK. The balloons. What? Hey, idiot. Okay. Wait, there's a big part of the map. Can I want to see, it's possible for me to...
Wait, that's...
Oh, that is broken. That is broken as heck. Alright, I'm gonna go to a different server because this server is kind of... doesn't have much. Anyway. Do you guys remember that one FNAF from Wish.com video I made? Well, that build is getting a revamp. Now it's no longer going to be from Wish.com. I'm not gonna show it yet. As you can see right here, it's still here. The old one's gone. So, yeah. Alright. Boom. Boom.
She made this point too far, and I don't even know why.
Do that. Do that.
Like, she made it stealing all the boost and then setting.
Don't worry, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. You can just unanchor it. If you want to. Alright. Do this. Grab
Why
the
did you
gun.
go for that?
Shoot the gun. Pull it back up and you're done. Alright.
Why did he go again? He does it every time.
Now, I'm saying this because I'm gonna be walking through walls. Oh, freak. I forgot. It's a portal. The server's pretty full, so.
I love scoring in a 2v1 and comp. It's very fun.
Wait, what?
And pre-jumping. Oh no, I have to go for kickoff, and he's just gonna cheat up, so I don't know to lose. Hope he didn't cheat up, he's stupid. It's still gonna be though, because I got awkward landing. Never mind. Demoed. And now I got a rough landing.
I don't think he can see this.
No! I'm just gonna try to stall and bang it.
Okay, you know what? Fine. I also have. What track?
So unfair.
You might know about it. Frick.
You waste
Dang
all
it.
my boost.
Okay.
Boost!
He knows. I know for a fact he knows. Watch. Take apart the map.
Gosh dang it. Oh.
Oh, darn it.